Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you my another traveler notebook, and this one is made for my young sister. My younger sister, and her birthday is on May, so I make this for her. And all the pattern and paper I print from Pinterest. So and I use this kind of paper to print this, and the box is recycle box that I collect. I collect so many of this kind of paper, and inside I cover with the paper like so. And my sister love simple pattern, so I just make it simple, and she likes nature stuff, so I didn't add any flower or lace or this her gift. So this is the book, and her favorite color is like a green. So I make this one, and she like to travel around. She like to travel, I mean, so make this for her, this book. Let me do, and because this, you can see so many things to draw. I use this thick leather, so so many. So you can see, but I love the old texture, so I have to clean up paper. You can see it's quite thick. She hadn't, because I add so many pictures inside and 4 books, because I had so much fun to create this for her. So this is the back, and I used this. Usually I use the 200 GSM. Let's see, 250 GSM cardstock, but because when I have run out the cardstock, I use 230 GSM. It's like not thick enough, so I prefer the thicker paper. Anyway, this is how it turned out. Let me to show you. And this tiny leather book I purchased from online and open. I just put some pages of paper inside. So so make it simple. And this one, the binding here, actually is a bracelet, and I think this is quite matched with this theme, so I use it for the binding here. And my sister's birthday is on May, so this is her horoscope. And I print out this camera from Pinterest, and I use it to make a pocket, so you can see this pocket, you can slide the pictures in, and this is the lovely couple. This is the camera. This lovely couples. Just want to provide pictures in here, so like so. Okay. And use this from one of my old it's a necklace, or I forget what's that. So there you can see when you drop out like so. Okay, and here also got the beads, and it's quite thick. Okay, now open up, and the good thing, see on the first page here, I make a pocket, so she can slide. I need to store anything, the ticket or whatever here. And this book also I print from Pinterest, so it's also is the pocket here. And inside I make another pocket here, travel. And see, I print so many these, so she can use all this into whatever she like to place to go in, what the year, places I love to visit or places to travel, adventure awaits. And the showcase New Zealand, Australia, Norway, Hawaii, and America. Yeah, I did this one, and all these images, yeah, I print from Pinterest. So yeah, you can search from Pinterest. And yeah, mentioned her birthday is on May, so I make the pocket here and print the May calendar. And this one also I laminate a happy birthday to my dear sis Geraldine. So yeah, this is the back, and this is the key, month of May. And I print the crossing this on the crossing bag, paper bag. 5 things right now. Yeah, here is plain. Another pocket ticket, so you can store the ticket inside. And I print this from Pinterest as well, the bicycle, and fussy cut out and laminate and make a pocket like so. Okay, and this laugh and calm, and another pocket here, and this one another pocket here, and this one also, yeah, is a pocket, so you can slide the pictures in. Let's go. I put this here, our vacation. Back just plain. Okay, another pocket here, I make the calendar. So yeah, this is the month of January, and this is 11th month, and I put this trinket here like so. Okay, and yeah, she should like the green, so I use the green pen. And another plain book and pocket and piece, and this tag memories you can slide in. Another pocket, nature, she likes nature. And this is the page, notebook, she can write something here. Adventure, and another pocket. And travel, here is, yeah, you can slide something here to hold. And this is the double pocket here. Okay, and I print all it from Pinterest. I make a tag here, so you can use all this as a bookmark. So put here another notebook, and I add this zip back, and also add some of this, and I laminate souvenir and so many. Yeah, so you can use this. So zip back. Okay, and this is the last page, another pocket here. Another tag here. Okay, I mean bookmark or tag, yeah. And this one to what, yeah. And I add 4 notebook inside this huge book. So yeah, it look quite thick. Yeah, because I have so much fun to create this book. So yeah, added and added until it came out so thick. Yeah, so this is the notebook that I made for my sister. And yeah, let me just adjust the camera, zoom in. Okay, and yeah, and I hope you will like it. And yeah, and yeah, thanks again, and hope you all like it. And please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this travel notebook for my sister. And if you like, please give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will come back again for another notebook for Eunice. And thanks again, and bye bye.